Hey guys, Brendan from Brinkley RV here today. I am going to be giving you an overview of our Rockford Fosgate sound system on the Model G. So there are 3 head units in the coach. One here in the garage, one in your living room, and then you have one in the pass-through as well. So we will power up the one in the garage. So for pairing Bluetooth to your phone, there are no buttons or anything you have to press on the head unit. It should automatically show up in your devices in the Bluetooth settings of your phone. And on my phone, it's going to show up as RF Model G2 because this is unit number 2. Allow it to pair. So I am now connected. It obviously said connected. So then we'll go to the source. We will choose Bluetooth. All right, so now that I've paired my phone, we're going to go ahead and mess with the volume. So if you hold in the center button, you'll actually have 4 zones. You'll have exterior, all, living room, garage, and then you'll actually have another zone for your patio as well. You can click here for the menu, browse through all that. You can mess with the subwoofer settings. Over here you can skip one song, go back to the next. This is a zone setting as well. You can choose which zone you want to be in. And then this is a pause play button. So again, you can control every speaker from each head unit, garage, living room, pass through, whatever works best for you. If you guys have any more questions about the stereo system, call us or send us an email. We would be happy to help you out.